Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa, Lisa. Hi LoveBugs, welcome back to the channel. Today you all, we are going to be decorating for fall 2024. I have a 5-tier stand that I'm going to be decorating for the fall, and I wanted to bring you guys along just in case if you needed some ideas, some inspiration, some motivation. That's why I am here. Also, if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're so happy to have you here. And if you're returning, welcome back. You know we love you guys, and we cannot do this without you all. And let's welcome all of our new subscribers to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome to everyone. We cannot do this without you, nor you. So without further ado, you all, let's go ahead and get into this fall styling for 2024 on my 5-tier stand. I'm going to be using these wooden farmhouse candle stands. They are so beautiful, you guys. So I'm going to use them right here. Put those right there. Then I'm going to add these rustic colored candles. Hold on, you guys. Y'all can't see it that well. I want to use this Have a Cozy Day sign. I love the brown tones that it's giving off. Then I have this beautiful vase that is textured, or you might want to call it a vessel. It's very pretty. I want to house it right there. I have 2 decor styling books that I want to use, Beautifully Organized and Call It Home. And both of these books I believe I got from the home goods store. Okay, I like the way that looks. I want to take this ceramic 3-tiered pumpkin, and I want to place it right there. It's gorgeous. These wooden beads, which I call a garland, a wooden garland. And I want to add it right here And then let's give it some color, a little bit of color. We want to give it a little bit of color by adding this cute rustic colored striped pumpkin. And we want to add it right there. Perfect. I'm liking that look. Then I want to take this book stand here. I want to use this book stand, and I want to place it right there. I want to use this Scandi Rustic Decor book to place on the book stand. And I want to use page 104, this beautiful styling. And place it just like that. Also, I want to take these beautiful whitewashed garland, and I want to place it in the page of that book. Just like that. Okay, you all, I hope you're liking it. I'm going to go and do some finishing touches, and then we will be back with the reveal. I hope you all are excited. I hope I was able to give you some ideas. If you have any suggestions for me, please be sweet, loving, and kind and leave them in the comment section for me. Also, too, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Okay, love bugs, I am all done decorating my 5-tier stand for fall 2024. So, if you know Lisa, y'all know I'm going to switch some stuff out on you. I'm going to change out some decor pieces. I'm going to change the look of it. I have to feel like it is right before I present it to you all. So I hope that everyone is still here and that no one clicked off, because I did change a few pieces around because I just wasn't digging what I was doing in the beginning. So again, hopefully you didn't click off, because I always change things. It never fails. I never let it stay the same. And sometimes even after I get off camera and I look back at it, I'll be like, no, this goes right here and this goes right there. But at any rate, I hope you all enjoyed me decorating this 5-tier stand. I enjoyed creating it for you. I hope that it was motivational. I hope that it inspired you to spruce up a space in your home for the fall. And I hope these ideas that I presented to you, that you're able to utilize them in some way. And for those of you who don't know, I call all of my followers my love bugs, because I love y'all so much, and y'all just have been following me and supporting me since day one. So without me continue to ramble on, let's go ahead and get into this reveal. I hope you guys like it. So there you have it. As you can see, I changed the top shelf. So I use this beautiful textured vessel to be able to create this floral arrangements with the beautiful pumpkins. And also too, I did change out the candle stands. I wanted to go with something a little bit more subtle. So also I like the look with the floral arrangement. I like the look of trying to hide the candles. So as you can see, they're kind of hidden a little bit throughout the leaves and the stems on the florals. So I absolutely like this look here. It's very simplistic, but it is so fall-like. It is giving me that rustic look that I am going for this fall season 2024. And as you saw earlier, I did add these two decor books, Beautifully Organized and Call It Home. And I added this wooden garland, and y'all, it is so heavy, and I do believe I got that from Home Goods. And I must add that this is a budget friendly styling, because I did not purchase anything that I've used here today. Everything I already had, so that was perfect in itself. I did not have to purchase anything that I am utilizing here on this 5-tier glass stand. I enjoyed styling this for you, and I hope you all like the end results. So I just used this pumpkin with our letter on it with the 3-tier porcelain pumpkin. And then we have our book display here, displaying this beautiful decor. With this whitewash garland. And then on the very bottom, we just have the double styled wooden pumpkins. And again, you all, I did not purchase anything to create this space. Everything I already had, so it is super budget friendly. I always say, if you can, shop your home. Shop your home, because y'all, I have to be honest and say, I did not realize I had so much fall decor. Now, am I itching to go out and purchase some fall decor? Absolutely, absolutely. Am I going to purchase some pieces? Probably so, but at any rate, 90% of my fall decor I already have, because I did not realize I had so much until we did our garage organization, and I think I have like 5 or 6 bins of just fall stuff. So that's a plus in itself. So that's how I was able to shop my home and to use things that I already have, because if you really pay attention to it, these items look like they're new, but y'all, they are not. I have used these over and over, especially these candle stands. Y'all probably have seen them before, along with this this garland here, this wooden garland, and these pumpkins. So love bugs, again, I appreciate you all for tuning in on today. I appreciate your kind comments. I appreciate your thumbs up, letting me know you like this video. And I appreciate all the comments that you have to send to me down in the comment section. All right, you all, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, because I plan on doing 3 videos today, y'all. I plan on recording 3 videos. Now, will they get edited today? Probably not. But anyway, the videos will already be done. Again, I hope you all like this video. I hope I was able to inspire someone. I hope you was able to take something away from this video. And at this time, At Home with Lisa is going to sign off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back. catch a vibe. We at home